It seems that lately, everything is about the pandemic that has taken the whole world by storm, and most of the countries in the world are just too busy to get their economies back on track. Oil was quite literally the gold that led to many wars, economic boosts, and conquests. In a world plagued by COVID-19, the economies are reevaluating the importance of oil, and some are questioning, could this be the end of oil? The main reason oil is now in question and where it stands in the geopolitical scenario is that now the New World Order is getting into place slowly because the world has still not fully recovered from the deadly effects of the pandemic. Some larger oil-producing nations like those in the Middle East are being forced to bring down prices to encourage sales just so there can be some benefit to the economy. This shows how vulnerable and unpredictable the world's economy is right now, and not much is helping, and only a miracle could do wonders for the situation at hand. Economic experts are saying that this may be the end of oil. Although this may be a large claim to make just now since oil manufacturing cannot end so quickly, experts have started to anticipate what may happen next.